Master WordPress Posts and Pages, Ultimate Guide to Editing and Layouts. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of WordPress and mastering how to edit pages and posts, create categories, and add stunning layouts to your website. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by WordPress, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Alright, the first thing we're going to look at is how to create and edit a post in WordPress. Here, we have our blank post. You'll see a space for the title at the top, and down here, this is where you'll add your content. On the right side, you have your sidebar. If this disappears, just click this button right here to show it again. Easy, right? In the sidebar, you'll find the permalink settings, where you can customize the URL of your post. Watch the link on the screen to learn how to set a permalink for your entire website and individual posts. You'll also see the categories section. We'll create some categories shortly. Tags are next. These help search engines understand what your post is about. Now, let's create an example post together. Let's name our first article, My Top 5 Favorite Blogging Tips. I already have some content prepared, so I'll paste it in. Simple text for now. Let's make some basic edits. I'll change this text to a heading 3 and bold it for emphasis. I'll do the same for this section. Notice how easy it is to switch headings and styles? To add some space between sections, use the spacer block. Just click here, type spacer, and add it. You can adjust the space to your liking. I'll set this one to 10 pixels. Remember, if you're in the middle of a post and want to save it without publishing, just click Save Draft. This keeps your work safe until you're ready to go live. Now, let's add some photos. For free stock images, check out pixabay.com or pxels.com. Here's how to add an image. Click on the image block, upload your photo, or select one from your media library. I'll add a few images to our post now. You can adjust the size of your images, add captions, and even make them clickable links. This is great for adding extra value to your content. Next, let's add a featured image for our post. This is the main image that will represent your post across your site. Just click Set Featured Image and choose your photo. Now, let's talk tags and categories. Tags help describe your post in detail, for example, blogging tips or writing strategies. Categories help organize your posts. We'll create a few now. Check out similar websites to see how they categorize their content. For our site, I'll add categories like writing, SEO, and marketing. You can even create subcategories, like on-page SEO under SEO. Once you've added categories, choose which ones apply to your post. You can select multiple categories or just one. For our example, I'll choose writing. And there you have it. You've created and edited a post, added images, tags, and categories. Great job! Don't forget to preview your post to see how it looks before publishing. Now, let's move on to pages. Pages in WordPress are similar to posts, but they are used for static content like your About Us or Contact pages. To create a new page, go to the Pages section and click on Add New Page. Just like posts, you'll see a space for the title and the main content area. Let's create an example page called About Us. I'll start by adding a title and some introductory text. For this page, I want to include a few images and some headings. I'll add an image block here, upload my photo, and adjust its size. Below that, I'll add a heading 3 block for a new section and some more text. You can also add a gallery block if you want to display multiple images. Just click here, type gallery, and add it. You can then upload or select multiple images from your media library. Pages also have a sidebar where you can set the permalink, add a featured image, and choose a parent page if you're creating a subpage. This is helpful for organizing your site's structure. Once you're happy with your page, you can either publish it right away or save it as a draft. Don't forget to preview your page to see how it looks before making it live. Now, let's focus on editing an existing page, like the Contact Us page. To get started, go to the Pages section in your WordPress dashboard and locate the Contact Us page. Click on the title to open it for editing. Here, you'll see the content of your Contact Us page. Let's start by adding a new section. I'll add a heading 2 block and name it Frequently Asked Questions, FAQs. Below that, I'll add a paragraph block with some introductory text to guide visitors to helpful information. It's also a great idea to include a section on additional ways to connect with your company. For example, you might add a heading 2 block titled Stay Connected and then add some text blocks with links to your social media profiles and a subscription form for your newsletter. Next, let's add another section, called Visit Us. I'll insert a heading 2 block and then add a paragraph block with your company's address, office hours, and any other relevant details. This will help visitors who prefer to contact you in person. Adding a map or a contact form can also improve your Contact Us page. You can use a block for embedding a Google map and another block for a contact form if you want to provide a direct way for visitors to get in touch. If everything looks good, click Save to save the changes. Your updated Contact Us page is now live. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave any questions or comments below. See you next time as we continue our journey to mastering WordPress.